Hey, so I'm gonna pack for going back to college for spring semester. Yeah, I'm really excited. I leave today is Thursday the 29th and I leave on the 31st on Saturday, but I always like packing like 2 days before just in case like I need to get anything last minute. So yeah, come pack with me. So I need to low-key just take everything out of my drawers and pack it all because I don't think I'm really keeping anything here except for like a couple t-shirts and stuff, because next time I'll be back is spring break and I don't really want to like bring a lot back, but then I also don't want to have nothing in New York. Yeah, I have this like luggage thing that's like collapsible and then you unzip it and it's like a huge thing, so I'm gonna put everything in here. Yeah, I think I should start with like pants, but I have to separate the things I'm gonna wear to the airport because I'm gonna bring in this backpack that my mom got me for like traveling. I'm gonna bring my like thermals and everything because when I get there it's gonna be like -degrees or something, and then yeah, but first I'm gonna wear like a jumper with like a shirt and like Uggs just so I'm like comfy whatever going in and I'm not sweating, and then I'll change after security and like when my flight's about to go. Okay, so in my bag, which I'm gonna separate after because I need to go through my bag, I'm gonna pack like this little headband thingy for my head, gloves, a like scarf thing for my neck, well obviously I'm gonna bring these jeans, and then I'm gonna wear them over these thermals that I have. They're literally just like plain thermals. This is a long sleeve and this is like leggings. And then on top for my shirt, I'm gonna do like the thermal with, well I might do like a tank top under the thermal. And then I'm thinking of doing like a hoodie and like a jean jacket over, because I think that's like so cute. This is the option. I have this jean jacket that I thrifted, and I think it'll be really cute, like whatever, if I'm wearing like a hoodie under, because I've seen a lot of people doing that recently. So I think I'm gonna do this. Maybe I should do like this because it's just white and it'll like contrast the colors. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this underneath it and that, and then when my neck gets cold I'll just put on the neck like thing. So yeah, that'll be my outfit for the out of New York, like when I get to New York. To the airport though, I want to wear this romper. It's just like a little like cute whatever, and it's really comfy, so I think it's good. It has like huge pockets, so I think I'm gonna wear this. This one's just like a plain white tank, which is longer. I think I'm just gonna do this. And then I'll do my Uggs, I guess, with that. Yeah, perfect. And then when I get out, I'll just put all the other stuff on. Yeah. Now I'm gonna pack like all the rest of my stuff. And here is where I'm gonna keep like everything that I'm keeping here over like the next couple months. It's like a storage bin that goes under the bed. Because this also turns into my brother's room once I leave. So yeah, just to make things easier, because I look, you have my stuff all over the place. We're gonna open this. It literally just becomes like a huge thing. It's like this huge thing. Okay, I got all of my pants here, and like shorts and stuff. So we're gonna go through deciding what I'm gonna keep here and what I'm going to bring with me. So this is what I'm keeping home for pants. What I'm keeping for shirts. Big issue I have when I come home is that I keep all of my sweaters in 3 different closets because of how many sweaters I have. This is a rat onesie my mom got me, so I'm gonna bring it. Closet. I'm gonna go look at the other ones, bring over whatever I have over there, and then I'm gonna pack it all away. Okay, so I have a huge pile of stuff that now I have to pack. I'm overwhelmed. Okay, now I'm packing my shoes. I'm taking these boots back home, wearing my Uggs, and I'm gonna pack my snow boots in my backpack. Okay, I'm gonna stuff them in like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's all stuffed in there. I have to put those 2 in there. This I'm gonna pack into this thing that will be under my bed. But yeah, and I don't know where I'm gonna fit the rest of my things. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to pack the rest of this and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, after a long time of stress, I finally finished. So this is the luggage. And this is the thing that I put on my clothes. It doesn't fit under the bed, of course. So I don't really know where that's gonna go. But yeah, and I'm all done. Thank goodness I fit the sweaters, everything. And I did my toiletry bag. It's like ready to go. This. Yeah. And I have a spot for it in my backpack, which is also packed. So boom, I'm all packed. Thank you.